Voltage is a difference in potential. In the case of 208 volts, there is a 208 volts potential difference between the wild leg and the grounded conductor. This difference in potential is sufficient to power the compressor. The requirement for 2 hot wires is a common misconception. While it is true that most equipment requires a voltage difference between 2 hot wires, this is not the case for all equipment. In the case of this compressor, the wild leg and grounded conductor provide the necessary voltage difference. Firstly, using the wild leg for this application frees up slots in the non-wild leg panels, which can be useful for other loads. Secondly, it simplifies the wiring process by eliminating the need for a balancing transformer. Thirdly, it reduces the cost of installation compared to using a balancing transformer. As long as the wiring is installed according to the National Electrical Code, it is perfectly acceptable to power the compressor using the wild leg and a grounded conductor. Article 210.4 B of the NEC specifically allows for the use of a grounded conductor in place of a second ungrounded conductor for loads on a single-phase system. Your plan to power the compressor off of the wild leg and the grounded conductor is valid and will not compromise the safety or functionality of the equipment.